worked on the store sales projection and restock project.
I'm Yasun.
My name's Jason.
My name's Tara.
And I'm Kyle. So our project was with store service station computer systems, which makes systems, automated systems for gas station maintenance. The problem they presented us with was to create a system that optimizes restocking the gas station in a way that prevents excess stock in the store itself.
Okay, so for our approach, we were tasked on building a website, and within that website, we actually allow the user to look up an item 3 different ways. We first allow the user to search up an item in the search box by using its name or the posh code. We also made a list of the most sold items where you can click on it and see the prediction. Okay, let's say you make a prediction on one of the items. It sets up a neural network that trains on previous sale data for that item, and the prediction is returned for the quantity that will be needed for the restock. Last but not least, it will be presented in an easy-to-read calendar for the user to see.
So next we'll talk a little bit about the technologies we used. So for the front end, or the visual part, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We used 2 different types of back end. For one side of it, we used PHP and SQL, and that was to implement the login and some tables that show up on the website. But we mainly used Python Flask for the back end, which was used to connect to some machine learning scripts that ran in the background, where the machine learning actually took place. And for that, Pandas was used for the pre-processing of the data, and then TensorFlow and sklearn were used for the actual machine learning part. So we'll also take a brief look at the results. So in that graph on the right, we tested the neural networks we created against the previously used method, and on the 10 top sold items. So, and we see that in 8 out of 10 items, so wherever there's a little red bar above the green one, the neural network performed better than the previous method. And overall, there was a 14% increase in performance. And also, as time goes by and we get more sales data from, from the items, the neural network will probably be doing even better.
All right, so now we'll take a look at the website. At the top left, you see a login page where we only allow administrators to log in. And at the bottom right, we have an admin page where we have a list of our top selling items, as well as information on those items. And we also have 2 search boxes where you can search by product name or postcode. And as you can see, we have an autocomplete feature when searching for a product name. And here we have, on the top, we have an example of the results from our machine learning algorithm. From there, they get sent to our server, which then gets sent to our website, where the results get inserted into an easy-to-read calendar. We'd like to thank our mentor, Mike, and our faculty coach, Dr. Laura.